Was there any build up after 1:30 p.m.? Okay, if the first condition satisfies, we're going to check is the price below previous day low. If this also satisfies, we have to check is the first candle a red candle. And if all these three conditions satisfy, we are going to sell aggressive, or we can wait for a short build up and then we can sell it off. Okay, well, I it depends on you how you want to sell. I have given you two options over here. So again, was there any build up after 1:30 p.m.? Okay, this is the first. For example, this is the previous day high and the previous day low. For example, there was some build up again around 2 p.m. let's say. So the first condition satisfies. Next condition is the price below previous day low. It means the first candle, so I'll just rename it as first candle. The first candle, or the price has to be below previous day low. In my scanners I have coded as first candle to have more surety of the trades. And the third condition is the first candle a red candle? Okay, so these are the conditions opposite of the logic one, just that instead of looking at previous day high, we are looking at previous day low, just to confirm. Simple, not simple as you think, because finding these kind of trades with this kind of logics that I have built for my trading strategies and my students, it requires a lot of time and effort and needs some serious intentions. So if I go ahead and again put on the scanner, let's see, okay, let's see if we have got anything on 3rd of Feb for the sell side, right? Okay, third. Have we gotten anything on 3rd? If you can see, no. If you can see here, okay, we have not got anything today. But yesterday, if you see on Axis Bank and Bajaj Finance, we got a sell. Okay, not on Axis Bank. On Bajaj Finance, we got one sell 9:15. Let's see. Let's backtest. Bajaj Fin. Okay. Here, if you can see over here, this is the previous day low. Okay. And the aggressive traders might have entered over here. And traders, the defensive ones, might have entered over here after finding a double confirmation. Okay, so this is how these scanners work, and it helps you to scan the trades without even getting into um, looking at all the stocks and the charts. Okay, so just to recap, logic 2, was there any build up? Okay, let us check whether there was a build up or not in the scanner. If you can see over here, there is a build up, there is a punch, right? So the scanner takes care of everything. It checks whether there was a build up in the previous day, and then in the last day how it works. Okay, perfect. um so let's recap this. So the first condition we are going to check, all these conditions we are going to check combined. Second condition is the price below previous day low, or the first candle. Is the first candle a red candle? Then we can decide whether to sell it, or we can wait for a short build up and then sell it off. Okay, so practice this, and if you're able to find good trades and trade these logics, let me know. I'll be more than happy. Thank you.